Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about Keccak256 function. So basically this function computes the Keccak256 hash of the input. Some of the use cases are creating a deterministic unique ID from an input. You can take in an entire data structure, put it in the function and you'll get a unique hash key that you can use as a primary ID for anything or a UID. You can also use it for commit reveal scheme or compact cryptographic structure. We'll talk more about these later in the series. Let's see how this function is used in the code. We have a contract hash function. It takes in some inputs and then simply encodes it all into bytes and then creates a hash out of it. And then we have another contract, guess the magic word, which is basically a gamified version of how you can use hash functions. So you have a hash key stored as the answer, and you can take in any input and hash it using Keccak256. If that matches the hash, the person wins. So this is a pre-computed hash of something. Here we know that the magic word is solidity with S capital. So this is the hash of that, and if a person enters that word in the guess function, then only the hash of their input would match this value. Otherwise, it wouldn't. So let's check it out on the remix ID. So we have the contracts here. We'll compile it and then we'll deploy the hash function contract. So you see that hash function takes in a string hello and a number 100 and any address. So we'll type in this and we'll call it and we get a hash. So it basically took all these three values, encoded it into bytes, and then created a hash value out of those bytes. I'll deploy this guess the magic word contract as well. And in this contract, we have answer, which is a hash key of the word solidity with S capital. So let's say if I guess solidity with small s, so it is false because the hash value is completely different for solidity with capital S or a solidity with a small s. So if I type in solidity with a capital S, we get true because then only the hash values matches. So this is one of the many ways you can use Keccak 256 hash in your programs.